YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you guys. Excuse when I look, I'm ready for bed. So my face is greasy and yeah. But yeah, let's get into it. So as you see, there's a camera on the front. My sister and her boyfriend gifted us this for Christmas, and I've been literally anxious to open it, but I wanted to open it with you guys because why not? Anything that I get, y'all get. So we're gonna open it together. It says 2.7K camcorder. Got the user manual. It comes with a mic. An extra battery, a remote. This, y'all, because I know y'all tired of me saying I'll be back and then doing that. So yeah. And the USB. No back, of course, but most stuff don't come in the back. And this holder with the camera inside. Okay, y'all, so this holder is actually really, really cute. Digital video camera DVC. It says 2.7K 2688 times 2688 times 1520p high definition, 42.0 megapixels still image recording. Okay, yeah, the fact that this stays with it is dope. Oh, I'm slow. Oh no, it turned on. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it made a little noise. This is what it looks like turning on. Let's see. I hope you guys can see. Can y'all see my background? I hope y'all can see my background. Ooh, I know you did not just sign up for me. Don't tell me the battery dead already. Now it's embarrassing me during an unboxing. Oh my gosh. Okay, well obviously I have to obviously I have to charge it, y'all. This camera is really trying to embarrass me today. Okay, this might be right. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see what this battery is talking about. I'm nervous, y'all. Okay, so we got a little battery life on there. Okay. So let's get back to it. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Pretty dope. I can go to menu, and the video resolution is already at 1080p, 60 frames per second. I want to say that's what that means. I have that set already, so that's good. The recording sound, lapse video, loop, slow motion, and plenty of other stuff. Mode, I can change the exposure, the white balance, the scene, metering mode, ISO. Y'all. But yeah, as you can see, I already opened it. I don't know. I just wanted to unbox it with y'all. But yeah, and here's my special feature. Y'all can see my setup. But yeah, I can see myself. I've always wanted a camera that I can see myself with. Can y'all see me? How do I look? Yeah, I've always wanted a camera that I can see myself with because you know, when you're vlogging, like right now, setting this up, let me turn it off. Oh, now I just put the light on. Hold on. Okay, let's see how it looks. Hold on. Oh, it's giving me light, y'all. Can y'all see? But yeah, okay. That's not what I was trying to do. I was trying to turn it off. Okay, now I turned it off. But I've always wanted that because even setting this up, y'all do not understand how long it takes me to set up everything because I film in different areas. I'm trying to keep it in here, but for my other channel, I have to move a lot. So hopefully we'll get that together, but long story short, this is going to be amazing. It's going to be bomb because I can definitely do, you know, more. Like, I don't have to check myself or whatever. I can just pop it on my tripod and then, you know, fix it. I'm actually about to record myself for you guys and we'll see how that works. Let's see. I'm gonna have it up on the screen for you guys. Okay, I'm trying not to look at myself. That's the only problem. Okay, you ready? Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So as you can see, I'm recording myself, and I'm having fun right now because I can see myself. I'm probably going cross-eyed, no lie. I'm trying so hard to look at myself and not at myself. And let's turn on the flash. Did I get lighter? I did get a little lighter, but okay, this looks way better. So yeah, I'm definitely like feeling this. I'm super excited. I'm just so happy that most of the gifts I got for Christmas, I'm talking into the camera, but y'all gonna get all this footage, duh. I'm just so happy that all the stuff I got for Christmas was mainly for either self-care or YouTube, so that's pretty exciting. I cannot wait to film with this stuff, but okay, you guys are gonna definitely see the quality. Why did I do that? Y'all are definitely gonna see the quality once I upload it onto my phone, but yeah. Bye. Oh shit, I'm still here. I'm still learning. Okay, bye. But yeah, is it still recording? No, it stopped. No, it's still recording. Okay, now stop. Oh, let me try to do the mic. Let me try to do the mic. Okay, so I definitely need a new battery for the mic because it came with a battery in the actual, like, with everything I got, but it's not working and I'm really confused on why it's not working. Do I have double A? I mean triple A. I don't think I do, but I know blown on is not about to do anything, but hey, it made me happy. Yeah, so the mic is not working. We will definitely figure out if it's working based off of you know, when I use it. I'm gonna go get some AAA batteries, but the mic looks like this on the camera. Let me see. Oh, I see you guys. So, oops, flipping it the wrong way. And it's not taking away from any light, so that's good. Oh, I didn't even try the remote, y'all. Hold on. You see, I'm not. This is a crappy unboxing. I haven't unboxed in so long. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna show this footage too. I want to show myself. There I go again. Turn it the right way, Shawn. Okay, so I'm going to turn the light on. oh, I'm not even recording. Okay, anyways, I'm recording with you guys. I turned the light on and now I'm about to start. Oh, this remote works, y'all. This remote works. I'm about to turn the light off because it's blinding me. I can't turn the light down, so that might be the only concern I have for real. But it's not bad because I'm used to this big ring light in my face, so yeah. Oh, this is dope. Oh, I can zoom in. And I can zoom out. Wait, oh, why do you zoom in more? You are so mean. Zoom out. Y'all, okay, well, yeah, this is gonna be clutch because I hate starting my videos and having to do this. So yeah, okay. Oh, let me stop it. Did it stop? It didn't stop. Stop. Do I not know how to stop? I just turned it off. I don't think that, well, I'm gonna turn it back on. I don't think that's how you stop the recording. But let's see. Let's see. Either way it goes, this is a bomb camera, y'all. Like a very bomb camera. I'm just so happy. I finally have a vlogging camera. This is dope. Oh yeah, and to let me see if I have both videos. I do have both videos. Okay, and to like, can you guys see? I hope you guys can see. Okay, so you see how I go back to mode. Okay, so mode to you know, slide over, you push the up and down, and then to choose it, you push the power button, which is also the light button. So to power it up, you hold the power. My nails look so unappealing right now, sorry. To start it up, you hold the power button, but to turn the light on, you just tap it. But yeah, but what was I trying to show you guys? But for this, you go up, down, up, down, up, down. So to playback, I'm gonna push power once. And then now I'm gonna push power again so we can play. But y'all hear the sound. So I definitely need to get the mic working. So I will, hopefully, if this video isn't posted before I can use it, y'all gonna know, because I'm gonna tell y'all what camera I'm using when I'm recording. But hopefully I can get the mic to turn on. But other than that, y'all, I am beyond pleased. Thank you, Michaela and Terrell, for getting us this, because this camera is dope. But yeah, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back, because you guys are not going to want to miss what I have in store. It is a new year, a brand new year. It's 2023, and we about to make some magic happen. Mark my words. But love you guys.